I wanted to provide an update video on removing the engine cover on the new 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310. After receiving feedback about the difficulty of removing the factory-installed acorn nuts while out on the water, I sourced a set of 6mm 305 stainless thumb nuts. As you can see from the video, these thumb nuts install in seconds and can be easily removed without tools at any time. Due to the thick base of these thumb nuts, the factory-installed washers are no longer required. Once the thumb nuts are removed, the cover comes right off, giving you full access to the entire engine compartment. While these 305 stainless thumb nuts do have a small lip on them, it does not interfere with the seat. I was unable to source flat 6mm thumb nuts, although I'm continuing to look for an alternative hardware supplier. Well, that's my update on the Kawasaki Ultra 310 engine cover. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for additional content. Thank you for watching.